everyone, it's Sharon from Sharon Sews. Today I'm going to share with you my plans to sew a 6-piece athleisure wear wardrobe capsule. These are all PDF patterns and they're easy to sew and you might be interested in also. So let's talk about this great wardrobe capsule for leisure wear. Whether you're working at home, whether you're walking the dog, maybe you just want something cute and casual to wear to the grocery store. I think this capsule is it. I'm going to sew all 6 pieces. They coordinate together because it's a capsule, mix and match. And I'm just going to share with you today what the patterns are, the fabric I have picked out, and I'm hoping to have this done in a week and a video up next week so you can see how everything works together. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? The sizing for this wardrobe capsule. The PDF patterns all come in an extra small to a 3X, which is a bust 33 inches to 50 and a half and a hip of 35 to 52 and a half. Okay, let me stop for a sec. This is not an advertisement. I'm not getting paid to do this. This is not a partnership with Sew News. I just really liked this capsule and I thought you might also. So it's $14.99. There's 6 PDF patterns. That's like $2.50 each. So that seems really reasonable to me. And again, I am not one that's a huge fan of PDF patterns. I do prefer the printed patterns. I don't like to have to print them off of my printer and tape them together and all that stuff, but I'm willing to do it for this. First up is a Bennett tank. It's just a simple little workout tank top. It's got a cute little cutout shape in the back just for some added detail. And I'm going to use this fabric. It's actually a workout fabric. It was a yoga company. I can't remember the name of it. It was at SR Harris. I bought it before we moved. I have a lot here. I was going to make leggings, but I like the idea of making this tank top instead. I have a lot of black leggings and I have some hot pink leggings. So I would definitely get wear out of this more so than even just the wardrobe capsule that I'm making. So that's piece number 1. The next piece in the wardrobe is the Olympia skirt. This is just a really nice little knit skirt. It's got a woven waistband and pockets with elastic in the waistline, and then it has a high-low hem. And I actually have sewn this one already. That's how quick it was to put together. I downloaded the pattern yesterday. I whipped this up today. This is it's a sweatshirt fabric, and I will tell you more about that when I sew the rest of the wardrobe and model it all for you. Super easy to sew, and I just love the little pockets. So that is piece number 2 in this wardrobe. Next up is the Woodbine joggers. Woodbine joggers. Oh, look at what I have planned for this. It's metallic. It's a metallic knit workout. I don't know why I bought it, but I did. At the time, I think I bought it when I was still teaching Zumba classes, and I had a lot of really wild leggings, and I was going to make myself wear leggings, and I just never got around to it. I just think it would be really fun in these joggers. I do need a contrasting. It does call for a contrast waistband. I don't have ribbing, so I think I'll just use this pink with it. Pink, and that will look cute with the, and I think that will look cute with the tank top that I'm going to sew, that I'm coordinating. The next piece in the collection is a sweater dress. I'm going to use this lightweight sweatshirt in this bright, bright fuchsia pink color. And it calls for ribbing. Again, I don't have ribbing on hand, and I'm trying to use stuff that I just have on hand. So I think I'm going to try and use this knit. The next piece is a cropped hoodie, color blocked. I'm not going to make it as cropped. That just doesn't work for me. I don't need my tummy hanging out, so I will lengthen it. I think the color blocking is very fun, and I'm going to use the fuchsia sweatshirt, the gray sweatshirt, and the black sweatshirt fabric. This black and gray is actually the same fabric that I used for the skirt. As you can see, it is black on one side and gray on the other. And that's what I'm going to use for the color blocked sweatshirt. And the last piece in this collection is the only one that I'm not real sure about, but I'm going to sew it anyway. You don't know till you try, right? It's this cropped tee that's also sheared in the front. There's an invisible zip here and then shearing through the bust line. And the only reason I'm not sure about it is because it might emphasize my bust more than I wish to emphasize it. And again, it's cropped. I'm not going to crop it as much. Now, I probably will just make it out of black because I think that will help de-emphasize the bust line a bit. But I may also use this because I've got plenty of that. That is the 6-piece athleisure wear wardrobe capsule that I'm going to sew. I'm actually really excited about this one. The sewing seems to be fairly easy. It's going to be comfortable wear, which I can get a lot of use out of that. Thumbs up if you like the video. Be sure to subscribe so that you will get notified when I have this ready for you to look at. And let me know if you think you might join in. That would be really fun to see what you do too. Until next time, happy sewing.